How does beloved Huzoor envision the world will change as a result of the Russia-Ukraine war and the very recent development of Russian bombing inside Ukraine?
It is not the matter of only Ukraine and Russia war. It seems as if it is going beyond the borders of Russia and Ukraine. The whole world is going to involve. If the whole world is involved in this war, then I hope quite a number of people will realize and start thinking why it has happened. There will be very few people left to ponder over it, to think about it, that what has happened. And those who will be left behind, they will, I hope, try to then go to find their creator towards the good things, to search for the true religion. And at that time, this is the duty of humbly woman and man to guide them on the right path. Thus, now you have seen the result of your worldly desires. And now Allah says that you should follow my injunctions and commandments and obey my teachings and practice what I say and believe in me firmly. Then, if they did not realize it, then there's going to be another havoc. The whole world will be doomed. So we cannot say what is going to happen. So we should pray and get ourselves ready to preach the true message of religion and how to bring people closer to their creator. ठीक है?
जी, जज़ाकल्लाह।